Another fine edition of Junk on the Bench. Today, Chainsaw gets a full wrap. I couldn't have that on there. It just, yeah, boring. So we took the old bar, which is from here down through here, which as you can see, it got ran over by the tractor at one point. That's why it broke. So we hacked it up, straightened it out, because we're going to do this on the cheap. And there's the finished product. Full wrap on a cheapy Chinesey. Why? Because I can. Now I'll just have to order some wrap. I thought I had some, and evidently I walked off, or who knows, it got stuck somewhere. So next pictures will be of the chainsaw.